it's clear coat. So first what I'm going to do is lay down a little layer, and I do not want to see a glossy shine. It's rough at the moment. I try to spray evenly on the surface, and then you see the surface is getting shinier and smoother. When that happens, that tells me there is enough clear coat on top of it. Too much, it's not good. Too less, it's not good. Yes, and now I'm seeing it's completely flattened out. This is a tryout for me, and I'm not completely happy, but I think it works very well. And you can see there's a small area, it's not good, but I think I've done it for my hobby right on. So that's funny. That works very well. There is laying another one. I think I'm going to do that one too. And this one, I want to try something different. I will put it in my lathe there and turn off this blue paint here on the edges and see clear aluminium. Or maybe I will do it with sandpaper. I'm not sure how to do that, but I will try it later on. Then I get the same thing as here. It's strange, but it looks very well. I leave it there. It has to dry now. Now I'm going to take you to the cylinder heads. Oh, something is going wrong on the left side, and I want to clear out this workbench. It's too much rubbish, and what I'm not going to use I throw away. So I'm going to do the cylinder heads, 6 pieces, but first I'm going to do those valves. That's the end result I want to have, and I will show you how to do that. And first I'm getting my gear and giving the camera a good place to watch me. So I see you in the next movie. Bye bye.